hampung sekai, cad hajrang ipiar. Congrats to Saka, who goes up. Come from open. Officially to the Behdeiñkhlam Ialong, the Behdeiñkhlam Festival. I have not come here, but I would like to just add that as a government, we are very keen to ensure that the government supports the different traditional programs and festivals of the people of our state, and in the future also, we will continue to give whatever support that we can so that the traditional practices, the different festivals are all celebrated in the best possible manner. I'd like to assure you that whatever has been mentioned in this memorandum, to put up a gallery out here, to put up a public area, also to put up the toilets and the different washrooms, and all the other facilities that will be required so that you can celebrate the Behdeiñkhlam in a much better manner. I assure you that the government will give full support to build up the infrastructure out here. At the same time, the local MLA has mentioned to me that he would require the road to be built, the road that comes from the main road all the way here to Ialong Park. And the Honorable MLA has been very particular that this road and another few roads in this village need to be developed. Let me assure you, I have discussed this matter with our PWD department that we will be taking this road also, and that this road also will be for the benefit of the area. So without taking much time, I would want you to continue with the festival. Once again, I wish you all a very happy Behdeiñkhlam Festival, and once again, thank you all for inviting me here to this program. Thank you very much. Goodbye, Michaela, and Jai Hind. Mama?